Hey, how's it going? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the display assembly on a Dell Latitude 7370. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First unscrew, then use fingers to separate and remove bottom base. Then unscrew and disconnect battery. Now unscrew and remove bracket. Then disconnect antenna cable and remove wireless card. Now unscrew and remove bracket. Then disconnect display cables. Then unscrew and remove display assembly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.